How to access the inner rail tube motor wire. You're going to need a 3mm hex key or impact wrench, as well as a pair of needle-nosed pliers. Start by turning the rail on its side and remove the bolt on the bottom of the foot furthest from the motor. Once that bolt is removed, you can use your needle-nosed pliers to gently pull the black end caps with the wire end out of the rail. Once you've got the cap off of the end wire, we can flip our rail around and we can simply pull the rest of the wire through the other end of the tube. Once we've removed the wire from the tube, we can see that there is another Molex connector in the middle of this wire because we have a wire cross that makes the motor function correctly. Now we can put our wire back together and put it back through our tube. With our wire pushed all the way through our tube, we're going to turn our rail on its side once again. We can now put our black end cap on the end of our wire, and once we've done that, we can push it back into its place in the tube and secure it using the bolt that we removed to begin the video. Once we've done that, we can tuck the rest of the remaining wire in through the back of the tube. This concludes how to access the inner tube motor wire.